How to add meta description in Wix Studio. So in order to add a meta description, you need to navigate to the page that you want to edit. First things first, click onto this pages option. And then from in there, you can see in here all of the pages that your website have. For example, let's choose in here our home page and then click onto these three dots. Click on settings. And then from in there, you can see this. Go over right here to the SEO basics. And then from there, we have the homepage URL, the preview, and we have in here the meta description. So you can input right here the meta description right there. So for example, let's put in your homepage of site 7. So you can just input right here the meta description of a particular page of your site. And you can also use it on the other pages like cart pages, blog pages, and the likes. From in there, head over and click on publish in order to save the changes that you have made. So that's how you add meta description in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.